Got these lightweight running pants from NORTHYARD, and they do feel quite comfortable. They sent these over to me for free to check out so you can see what they look like. Here's what they look like on me, and here's where you can see them up close and personal. They've got the reflective stuff on here in several different places, down here on different places on the leg, and it's very ventilated. So these, I don't know if you can see that, but these are like holes in it with another layer under there, so some air gets in there. It's got zippers on all three pockets, so you got two regular pockets on the side, and then this pocket on the rear, and an iPhone 15 Pro, which is what I currently carry, with a case on it, will fit inside this comfortably and zip close. Drawstring for that, and the materials are 90% polyester. Can you read that? 90% polyester and 10% elastane. These are comfortable. Thumbs up for me. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you, and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.